This was a Boeing 787 Dreamliner. It's one of Boeing's newest airplanes. This had been in service with Air India since 2014, and it has never been involved in a crash.
उसके बाद इंजन 2 फेल हो गया है, ऑल्टीट्यूड होल्ड नहीं हो रहा, रिक्वेस्टिंग इमीडिएट रिटर्न। mayday AI 171 अंडरस्टूड, आपको रिटर्न का क्लियरेंस मिल गया। करंट ऑल्टीट्यूड और हेडिंग क्या है, बस 625 फीट पे है। कंट्रोल रिस्पांस बहुत स्लो है, हेडिंग 040 रखने की कोशिश कर रहा हूं, शायद हम रनवे तक ना पहुंच पाए। ओह माय गॉड, दैट AI 171 टर्न लेफ्ट 020, आई रिपीट टर्न लेफ्ट 020। अब सिर्फ 2 नॉटिकल माइल्स दूर है रनवे से, सारी इमरजेंसी टीम स्टैंड बाय पे है। दोनों इंजन फेल हो गए, अब हम ग्लाइड पोस्ट पे पोस्ट लैंडिंग करनी पड़ेगी। लोकेशन मेघानी नगर,
लेकिन वो तो एकदम डेंसली पॉपुलेटेड एरिया है।
आखिरी रिक्वेस्ट, अगर बात करते करते सिग्नल लॉस्ट हो जाए तो प्लीज मेरी बेटी से कह देना कि पापा उससे बहुत प्यार। प्लीज मेरी बेटी से कह देना, हम सब आपके साथ हैं, कि पापा उससे बहुत प्यार। आपको कुछ नहीं होगा, हम सब आपके साथ हैं। मैं पूरी कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि मदद करने की।
किस वजह से लगी आग, पता चला कुछ? प्लेन गिरा है, ब्लास्ट भी हो सकता है यहाँ पे।
Went down just minutes after takeoff. In the devastating crash, 242 people on board lost their lives, along with over 70 individuals on the ground when the plane struck a residential building. Ramesh miraculously survived by jumping from the aircraft shortly before the crash, a detail that immediately raised suspicions among the public and investigators. Upon reviewing airport surveillance footage, authorities discovered that Ramesh had illegally accessed the runway several hours before the flight and was seen placing something beneath the aircraft. Once the video was reviewed,
the local police have said the survivor was sitting in seat 11A and is now receiving treatment in hospital. It's not clear how he survived, but parts of the plane appear to be intact after the crash. So earlier we were being told it's thought, it was believed.
I am the luckiest woman in the world. I reached 20 minutes late and missed my flight. I was so full of regret. But when the news came that the flight crashed, I was speechless. Thank you, God.
According to Vishwas Kumar Ramesh, he said he saw that he was going to die. If he doesn't take a step, he will surely die. He was still alive, so he tried to escape. He pulled off the belt from under his seat and tried to escape. He saw others, the air hostess, who couldn't escape. They were trapped, but he did all his best to see that he sustained his life. Then he was asked what happened after the takeoff. Soon after the takeoff, within the first mile, maybe 5 to 10 seconds, it felt like the plane was stuck. It felt like something had happened. Then a light came on, like a green and white light came on inside the plane. The pilot was trying to put off the light and a bit of push to push it forward. Struggling, it went straight into a building, which happened to be the college, the hospital, and the hostel properly. And yes, the hostel. It happened in front of Mr. Ramesh while he was on the floor as he escaped. Then he was asked, did you come out of the plane after it hit the hostel? And listen to Mr. Ramesh what he said. He said no, that the side he landed wasn't the side on the hostel. It landed on the ground floor side of the hostel. And that he don't know the other side, but it was open on this side. As soon as the door broke, he could see that it was open. So for him, he had to push himself through the door, and then the next second he saw himself on the floor, and right before him was the plane crash. He saw fire everywhere, and every other passengers, including the air hostesses, were stuck up, were trapped by the incidents and were supposed to get out, but still he don't know how he managed to survive. He said he doesn't know how he managed to survive, and we can call this a miracle. Yes, it is a miracle. A miracle. Maybe God proposed it for him that he should live. Then he was asked, did you just walk out? He said yes. When the fire erupted, it burnt his left hand. And that wasn't the case. The ambulance dropped.
I can't.
How did you manage to escape? Did you pull the emergency doors?
No, no. Emergency door is broken. My seat is broken. When I see the place little bit, then I will try to come out. Yeah, that's right.
Did the aircraft catch fire before?
फिर एम्बुलेंस मेरे को उठा लेके गया हॉस्पिटल में, तो मुझे जिंदा बाहर निकला। क्योंकि थोड़ा टाइम लेके तो मेरे को लगा था कि मैं भी मरने वाला हूँ, लेकिन जब मेरी आँख खुल मैं देखा ना तो मुझे लगा मैं जिंदा हूँ। तो मैंने ट्राई किया, जब मेरी सीट था वो मेरी बेल्ट निकाला, मैंने वो ट्राई किया जहाँ से निकल सकता वहाँ से, तो मैं निकल गया वहाँ से। मेरे सामने नजरों के सामने एयर होस्टल और दूसरे आंटी अंकल सभी उसमें मिस हो गए थे सभी।
पूरा इसके ऊपर ऐसे ही गिर गया है, बता दो।